Ready to advance your career? Consider a Master Science in Quality Assurance, an online program from California State University, Dominguez Hills. Quality assurance is a system for ensuring a desired level of organizational performance in the development, production, or delivery of products and services. Understanding and applying quality tools and methodologies helps organizations achieve their strategic goals while remaining relevant and competitive. Here's an interesting fact. The majority of quality assurance professionals do not have the term quality in their job title. Quality professionals are members of teams who use their specialized skills to promote performance excellence, reduce waste, and improve existing processes. Any professional position in any industry can benefit from learning and applying quality principles. These principles have been applied to such fields as aerospace, IT, biopharmaceutical, manufacturing, food and drug, general research, and many more. The online Master Science in Quality Assurance, or MSQA program at CSUDH is a 10-course, 30-unit program designed to develop skills which can be applied to any organizational function where products and services are developed through structured processes. The degree is offered asynchronously, online, in a 12-week semester format to serve working adults. Students can complete coursework on their own time while completing weekly assignments and can earn their degree in as little as 2 years. Degree options include a concentration in manufacturing concepts or an application specific to healthcare and service industries. Students can customize their program of study to include their areas of interest. Successful graduates of the program will be able to plan, manage, implement, and facilitate a quality organizational excellence program, apply advanced quality principles and tools to perform problem solving, process improvement, and performance improvement, communicate improvement opportunities and improvement solutions to decision makers and external audiences, including customers and end users, evaluate complex, integrated organizational systems and processes to recognize and quantify systems failures and improvement opportunities, formulate and conduct independent research, design a quality system, component, experiment, or process to conform with industry standards, facilitate new process developments, implement root cause analysis and process improvement programs, develop and analyze statistical process control charts, perform quality cost analysis, evaluate the significance of the human element in an organization. Many of the MSQA courses are included in a digitized micro-learning format in subject areas. This enables students to build a digital backpack in their personal e-learning portfolio, expanding their final degree diploma credentials to make them more marketable to employers. Students who hold a certified quality auditor, certified manager of quality organizational excellence, and/or certified Six Sigma Black Belt from the American Society for Quality may be able to qualify for credit for prior learning, earning 3 units for each certification. Participating in MSQA coursework will also help prepare professionals to take the examinations leading to the Certified Quality Auditor, CQA, Certified Quality Engineer, CQE, Certified Quality Manager, CQM, and Certified Reliability Engineer, CRE certifications. For further information, including admission requirements and procedures, please visit csudh.edu/MSQA.